How you doing, Rutgers University? Steve Osinski here, bringing you your PM edition on Wednesday, January 30th of Weather Watchers. Let's check out how we did today. High of 68, reaching really close to our record set 11 years ago of 71. The low last night was 40 degrees, right around the average high temperature for this time of year. So really nothing to complain about. Beautiful day. Even though it was a little windy, there's no wind chill when temperatures are that warm. Sunrise, we'll see it at 7:08 tomorrow morning. And with the sunset, well, it's already dark, so you don't really need to know about that. As we look at the regional high temperatures for today, we see that Ithaca and State College got to 59, Baltimore 74, Camden 68, Newark 66, and Hartford 57. Very unseasonably warm temperatures for this time of year, but that's all going to change as we go further into the week. As we look into tonight, we can see that the cold front's going to come through, and you can see actually the different times that it's going to come through by temperature. Ithaca later tonight, 31. State College, 32. Baltimore, 41. And then as we start to move east, we start to get warmer, even though we're going more north. Newark, 46. Camden, 45. And Hartford, 52 for later on tonight. So as this front comes through, actually, which we're looking at right now, that's being produced by this low pressure up in the Great Lakes region. Bringing moisture and just wind and terrible conditions outside. You don't want to be outside overnight. Good thing it's happening overnight, because it would just make for a terrible class day, because nobody wants to walk to class and then it's soaking and it's disgusting. You don't want to do it. But let me tell you, after this line moves out, it's going to move out really early tomorrow morning. You're probably going to miss it for your daytime classes tomorrow, and the sun will be out. So enjoy that while you can. A little cooler though, so watch out. High pressure behind it, so we're going to have decent weather after the front moves through. Let's check out how New Brunswick is actually going to fare as this front comes through. A lot of wind, a lot of rain, high gusts in the front, maybe up to 50 miles per hour, so watch out for that. You might see a cat or two fly by. I'm just saying, just whatever. Winds actually south 11 to 16 miles per hour sustained, so that's just a steady wind the whole time. But watch out for the gusts, because they could be quite strong. I'm just kidding about the cats. Don't worry about it. Low 46 later on tonight. As we look at tomorrow morning's forecast, we're staying around the same temperature because that colder air is moving through, and we will actually see temperatures start to decline throughout the day, which is weird because when the sun rises, it's supposed to get warm, but that's not the case for tomorrow as that cold air comes through. Early morning showers, so maybe you'll see them, maybe you don't, depending on what time you're waking up. Winds in the morning, once that front has pushed through, we are still staying windy, 18 to 22 miles per hour, and that's sustained, so once again, watch out for more gusts. Still throughout the day, Thursday, same old story. Winds 16 to 24, high gusts throughout the day, partly cloudy skies. Maybe we'll see a peek of the sun, who knows. I'm not promising anything, but it could happen. High of 43, and then throughout the night, once again, we're just going to continue to lower the temperature. 25, we see below freezing once again since all those cold days last week. Temperatures drop throughout the night. As I already told you, winds 10 to 15 miles per hour, but actually clearing out. So just look for that as a good indicator. But as we go Thursday, I already just explained it. Partly cloudy to mostly cloudy, maybe a sun here and there. 47 as your high, but that's in the morning. 25 as your low as the temperatures completely go down throughout the night. Friday, we're looking at maybe a chance of some lingering snow showers because it's going to be cold enough for snow to form. 35 as your high, 20 as your low. Saturday, we get a little break Friday night into Saturday, but we could see some snow showers coming back in Saturday night associated with the little system moving across the country. Nothing to worry about. I mean, if this accumulates, I'm going to be quite impressed by the storm, but really it might just get the road a little wet and melt on contact. Saturday's high is 32 with a low of 24. Sunday, lingering snow showers from that system that's moving across and affecting us Saturday night. High of 39 as the system moves out, and low of 24 later on that night. Monday, we finally see some clearer skies, a lot more sun. Seasonably, the temperatures are actually quite seasonable on this day. 38 as your high and 30 as your low. So remember, you can come and check us out every 15 minutes on RUTV Channel 6. You can also check out our page on Facebook, RU Weather Watcher, or you could go to Twitter at RUTVWW. Also, you can check us out on rutv.rutgers.edu whenever you want. That's the forecast. Stay classy, Rutgers.